Hello and welcome to ClueCon Coder Games 2021. My name is Len, and today we got our box of goodies in the mail, so we're going to check and see what we got. This is our SignalWire SOS. Coder Games. Whoa. So we got some fancy looking envelopes. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 challenges, I believe, and Arduino Uno. Do some fun stuff with this. And oh, great. The pandemic hit, and now we're out of toilet paper. So we got that. And that's the packaging for that. Some fun resistors. A bunch of goodies here. Some tape and rubber bands and washers and some rubber tube looking thing. Some balloons. So maybe I can blow them up and do some up and away action. Some straws. Popsicle sticks. And some glue. And this cool looking box. Alright, well, I guess this is a bit of an unboxing and dropping everything. Alright, we'll see you soon.